This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, April 18th, 2014. Now our first look at the Zero-Z GFS model run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have some energy moving through the Gulf Coast states. It's going to bring a lot of rain across the southeast coast and up into the Atlantic. Around here, it'll be mainly sunny around here, with highs mainly in the 50s and 60s across the state, with warmer air starting to come in from the south and west, and that's with this next storm system that'll be coming in this coming weekend. On Saturday, you can see the frontal system is just to the west, but you can see it has very little moisture with it. The Gulf is not opened up. It's taking a lot of the moisture up into the mid-Atlantic. So highs will be in the 60s to lower 70s. Then the front just eases in here on Easter Sunday, and we could see some showers and thunderstorms. We could even see an isolated storm on Saturday afternoon as well, but mainly on Sunday with highs in the 60s to near or lower 70s. Could see some early day showers, maybe into the early afternoon in our eastern half of the state, and then slowly clearing from west to east with highs remaining in the 60s to near 70. And then Tuesday will be in between storms, one that'll be across the east, another that's diving into the west. In between, we'll have highs in the 60s to near 70 with partly to mostly sunny skies around. But then we move into the next storm here on Wednesday, and this is going to be the start of a fairly active period. We have a band of showers and thunderstorms. It's a little too early to determine severe weather with this system, but we'll have to watch with highs in the 60s and 70s. But Thursday, the frontal system moves closer, and another round of showers and thunderstorms. Severe weather is possible on this day. We've been seeing some parameters high in this area. And then Friday, you can see that system begins to lift to the north and east, and it'll be over the western Great Lakes at this point. But any severe weather activity at this point looks to be rather minimal, as the frontal system will be east of the state, so we'll just have the backwash of some rain showers and some thunderstorms, with readings dropping down into the 60s for highs, maybe a couple of 50s in our northern counties of the state. Going into the extended period, well, this active period pattern does not go away anytime soon. Another trough and system digging into Southern California with this pretty zonal flow across a good deal of the country at this point. And with the flow coming straight out of the west, chances of some showers and thunderstorms are possible each day from about the 28th or 9th on through into the beginning of May at this point. Any severe weather, we'd have to wait and see on that. Even here on the end of the forecast on May 3rd, we have some energy moving through the Great Lakes. Pretty much a west to east flow, pretty fast flow, and that's not really regarding a whole heck of a lot of severe weather chances, but they could be there. The 540 line diving down, which means we could see some frost in the early morning on May 3rd, and that's around the last frost date for parts of the northeastern counties. Satellite image from last evening, you can see there's that storm system we mentioned over the Gulf of Mexico that's going to be moving inland over the southeast, producing some showers and somewhat heavy rain down there, and the next system coming into the west. The watch warning map from last evening, we had some frost advisories in northeastern Kansas along the Appalachian Mountains and Virginia into Pennsylvania, and some flood watches along the Gulf Coast and a good deal portion of Georgia. The QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock, showing rainfall around here between about a quarter to maybe 3/4 of an inch. The heaviest will be along the Florida Panhandle, where up to 3 to 4 inches of rain is possible down there.